Next type of population interaction is mutualism. Mutualism is an interaction between two species in which both the species they get benefited from the interaction. Mutualism, an interaction between two species in which both the species are benefited, and the species participating in mutualism they are called mutualists. Examples are, the first example is termites and flagellates. In termites and flagellates, they live in the intestine of termites. Termites who feed upon the wood, which is mainly composed of cellulose, but the termites they lack the enzyme cellulase to digest this wood. इस सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट करने वाला एंजाइम टर्माइट्स में प्रेजेंट नहीं है. तो फ्लैजेलेट्स दे रिलीज enzyme beta galactosidase which converts or digests cellulose to simple sugars, and these sugars then they are used by both flagellates as well as termites. This is used by both. The newly hatched termites, newly born termites, they lick the anus of the older termites to ingest flagellates. Second example is of ruminants and microorganisms. Microorganisms like bacteria and ciliates, they get food and shelter from the ruminants जिनकी बॉडी में वो रहते हैं, and these they get food and shelter and they release a enzyme cellulase which helps in digestion of cellulose, because ruminant stomach it does not secrete, it does not has the enzyme cellulase to digest cellulose, and then with the help of cellulase released by the microorganism the cellulose gets digested. Another example is of sea anemone and the hermit crab. Sea anemone example is Adamsia, scientific name is Adamsia. It is fastened to snail's shell, and the snail it uses the sea anemone as its portable home. Let us see. This is the Adamsia. इसकी बॉडी को इसके अंदर क्या है, दिस इज द हर्मिट क्रैब, और दिस क्रैब इज यूजिंग द एडम्सिया as its portable home. It cannot move, so the crab when it moves from one place to another, the anemone, sea anemone, it is also carried to the new places. And also it receives pieces of food which are dropped by the crab. Yani sea anemone is getting food as well as ride from the crab, and crab is getting a home, portable home from sea anemone. Another example of mutualism is lichens. Lichen is an association between algae and fungus. Algae usually they are green and they can perform photosynthesis. As a result, they can prepare their own food, and this food is used by both the partners, that is fungi as well as algae. And fungus being because it is tough and gelatinous, it provides protection to the algae. Fungus provides protection to the algae, and also it provides water and minerals to the algae. तो algae क्या provide करती है? Food, since it can photosynthesize, and fungus it provides minerals, water and protection to the lichens. Another example is mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is an association between the fungus and the roots of the higher plants. The fungus, mainly the boletus, example of higher plants like pinus, they remain in close association. The fungus, it absorbs water and minerals and transfers it to the roots of the plants, whereas the plants they prepare their food and that food is utilized by the fungus, and